Assalamu alaikum viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is SUFIYAN Khan and you are watching Information by SUFIYAN channel. Friends, I was not making videos from since last 9 months because I had some issues, so sorry for that. So today we will talking about another famous personality, proud of Islam, proud of Pakistan. A man who make a Pakistan nuclear power and world first Islamic country with a nuclear bomb. So as you know, today we are talking about Dr. A.Q. Khan, also known as Dr. Abdull Qadeer Khan. So let's talk about him in detail. Mr. Dr. Abdull Qadeer Khan, who was born on 1st April 1936 in Bhopal and he was died on 10 October 2021 in Islamabad, Pakistan. His father Abdul Qadeer Khan was a school teacher who once worked for the Ministry of Education, and his mother Zulekha was a housewife with a very religious mindset. Abdull Qadeer Khan's education. Before transferring to University of Karachi, he attended DG Science College, Karachi, where he graduated in 1956 with a Bachelor of Science (BSc) in Physics with a concentration on solid-state physics. His field was metallurgical engineering, and he was known for Pakistan's nuclear weapon program, gaseous diffusion and morphology. He had 2 awards. Number 1, Nishane-e-Imtiyaz in 1996 or 1999 and Hilal-e-Imtiyaz in 1989. He had 2 children. Abdull Qadeer Khan from India, who migrated to Pakistan in 1952, Khan was educated in the Metallurgical Engineering Department of Western European Technical University, where he pioneered study in phase transition of metallic alloys, uranium metallurgy and isotope separation based on gas centrifuges. After learning of India's Smiling Buddha's nuclear test in 1974, Khan joined his nation's clandestine efforts to develop atomic weapon when he founded the Khan Research Laboratories (KRL) in 1976 and was both its chief scientist and director for many years. In January 2004, Khan was subjected to a debriefing by the Musharraf administration over evidence of nuclear proliferation handed to them by the Bush administration of the United States. Khan admitted his role in running a nuclear proliferation network only to retract his statement later years when he leveled accusations at the former administration of Pakistan's Prime Minister Benazir Bhutto in 1990, and also directed allegations at President Musharraf over the controversy in 2008. Khan was accused of selling nuclear secrets illegally and was put under house arrest in 2004. After years of house arrest, Khan successfully filed lawsuit against the federal government of Pakistan at the Islamabad High Court, whose verdict declared his debriefing unconstitutional and freed him on 6 February 2009. The United States reacted negatively to the verdict, and the Obama administration issued an official statement warning that Khan still remained a serious proliferation risk. After his death on 10 October 2021, he was given a state funeral at Faisal Mosque before being buried. Thanks for watching, guys. Let's meet in another video. Allah Hafiz.